So what does loyalty mean to you? You know, for some people, loyalty means, well, favorite baseball team.
Dodgers! Woohoo!
Red Sox.
Dodgers!
For some, it means, I don't know, a favorite truck.
I love Ford. Oh, I like my Chevy.
Well, personally, I like the Dodge Ram.
Okay, anyway, so loyalty means something for everybody. Some people are loyal to their favorite fishing lure. Some people are loyal to their dog, to their spouse, whatever, you name it. Everybody has their own version of loyalty. Well, so does Jayco. So now through the end of the month, June 30th, Jayco is putting on the owner loyalty sales event. What that means is when you come in to get a new Jayco that's in stock, and you currently own a Jayco, well, you come in, you work your already lowest price. We are the Jayco Superstore. We offer the lowest price around. Once you get your absolute best price from us, Jayco's going to tack on another $1,000. So you're going to get another $1,000 taken right off that price. So again, now through the end of the month, Jayco Loyalty Sales Event, you get another $1,000 if you currently own a Jayco and you're trading it in on a brand new in-stock unit. I'm Brian Dacey, General Sales Manager for Worldwide RV, and thanks for watching.